better understand because they're gonna learn today. I want to tell you right now, no we're gonna entertainment,
No work. Chilling. Blacks, you know what I mean?
Entertainment.
No work for life. All about them Vultures gang, you know what I mean?
No work in the building. It's cracking. No work. It's an entertainment system that we made on the streets, hustling daily, and anything universal. Make $1 out of everything. It doesn't have to be illegal. Just has to make $1. You know what I'm saying? Hustling rap, you know what I mean? Shit that we done, you know what I mean? That we do on a daily basis. Stuff that, you know what I mean? Stuff that we rap, we with. It's just all we do. You know what I mean? Females, the guns, the girls, whatever it is, dog.
You know, came into this game, you know, off the streets and everything, you know, my bro, you know, he asked me to get in this and learn the game, rapping, here I am now. You know, my stuff is about straight hustling, you know, pimp stuff, not hustling wise, the drug game wise. My stuff is hustling, girl. That's my style. You know, you got all these cats out here talking about they doing this, they doing that, they handling this, they handling that, and then when I come in the game to check it out, it's this. You know, I bring to the table. You know, my bro, he'll vouch for that. You know, ain't a girl I ain't hustle. Ain't a bitch I ain't fuck. You know, some of these dudes gotta check, you know, check their kids out. You know, I might be a daddy on their birth certificates, you know what I mean? And stuff like that. That's how I'll handle it. Like I said, when I come in my lyrics, I want these cats to try to come with me on the lyrics. You know, say what I say. You know, but don't only just say what I say, do what I say. You know what I'm saying? Do what I say. You know what I mean? I say I do this, I get a bitch, like I say, fuck her, I call that shit a throwaway. A lot of these cats can't do that because they doing this. They the police, they handcuff. I don't handcuff no bitch. You know what I mean? I don't handcuff no bitch. You know what I'm saying? Girls know. You see me with a girl, trust me what I'm gonna tell you right now. You see me with a girl, you know she suck dick. She can tell anybody she don't suck dick. Hey, she with me, she suck dick. And like that. But back to we're gonna switch it back to the grind of the music. You know what I'm saying? The grind of the music, all my stuff is about how I run the game. You know? I wrote the game. I didn't buy it. I wrote the game. Most of these cats, you know, they say they got game, but they found it on the corner street from a hustler that sold it to them. I wrote the game. You know, came back in the game and rewrote it. Salute. Say Mr. Blacks. Hey, I got any vouchers, anything they want to say. If I'm true to my word, check my hustle, check my grind. You know, and let's see what I'm talking about. I'm like a clock. I'm always on time. You know, that's how I look at it, Mr. Blacks. You know, talk to you, girl.
So my thing,
You see your dark thing?
smoking that good shit. Smell that?
You gotta put a light in it.
You gotta taste that shit. You gotta taste it. Smells good. Great taste.
With some Budweiser, it's just out there, dog. You know what I mean? I'm out there for the real guys out there, dog. I'm fucking with that. Hey man, I like real shit. You know what I'm saying? Something that you did before, something that you do. Actually, that's what I like. If you're doing it, you're really doing it, got much props for you. But if you really ain't out there doing it, nothing I can do for you, G. Nothing.
Who is it?
100. 100. You know what I mean? If it makes you feel like that and you ain't really that, maybe it'll turn you into that. I don't know. Fuck it. But you know what I mean? It's out there for everybody, dog. You know what I'm saying? It's how you feel. The shoe fits. But you're supposed to do it. I'm letting you out here, dog. We out here. We been out here. We been out here grinding and shit. You know what I mean? It's just that. This is the fact that motherfuckers don't want to work no more. Motherfuckers want to grind. You know what I mean? And it ain't working for a motherfucker to be out here doing this rap game. You know what I'm saying? We do this shit. It's time, you mean, we did it. Now we're gonna put it out there so everybody else can hear it. Spill that shit to everybody else. Some game, some real game. You know what I'm saying? We vultures. You know what I mean? You know what a vulture does? It sits back and lets something else go ahead and try to go ahead and, you know what I mean? All the fake cats go and try to make the kill, and then once they figure them out, they're sitting there, and who gets the heart and the brains and shit? The vultures, dog, and the ribs inside of that shit. You know what I'm saying? Vultures get ribs, and there's enough for everybody. All my birds. You know what I'm saying? We out here, dog, and we get birds. That's what's right. I like it all though. I like it all. I like, you know what I mean? I like Spanish music. I like English music, country. It's all good. You know what I mean? It's all good to me. It's if it got some rhythm, it's good for me. Love for everybody out there making music. Everybody, especially the real ones that done that shit. You know, that's that real shit. That's what I love. None of them motherfuckers just go in the studio and fucking harmonize. Because a cat can do that, but he ain't got no record deal. He out there out in the alley fucking singing and shit. They give him a record deal? I see us out there doing shows. Well, we doing shows now, but I see us doing big things. You know what I mean? We gonna keep it pushing, whatever it is. If not, we still got that street loyalty. I can still come to my block with $1, motherfucker. Not even if I got that, I can still come to my hood and do my thing with love in my block. That's one thing I can do. I like to see us out there, but I'll still be on the block. You know what I mean? Showing love to my peoples, where I came from. Shout out to everybody.
Yes, sir.
Real cats. That's all I gotta say. If you're real, I'm giving you a shout out. I ain't got a specific name for you, but the real motherfuckers get it. You know what I'm saying?
No work
Represent,
ENT.
dog.
Boy dog.